I don't know if he's come into contact with such a situation before. And I mean, you have my band to sue. I may be some. And then government there. Momo for your friends of scammers no more hiding.
This how this girl to Momo to cry now.
Now me cry me dear. Me see me suro yo. Ha, me see omukachem se ka bobe bani de na bubu.
And
na come two
stories number can correct. I'm one who said yes, I did not know can you.
Na ba ko bia ono so frɛ me e be twebo. One day also for free MTN. And I'm saying 90 MTN for be friend nipa bia obeka brofo boni say.
Brofo kan kai.
Like I guess I better to say. Vivia Boko. Oh, I feel brutal.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, we have you. We are solid. Fantastic guy.
What's some okay ne kai me bi?
Akai obi. Kwambe so na kai.
Me koye mobile money. Wo ministry so baby sir.
Month ni ambiko Kumasi. Ediane bi wo tech campus. Some friend check.
Yeah.
Aye. Na me dem sister na call school. Enti enwumre ni ekodu na msi o. Adia sentiment me ma back nti ne enko paduane ni. Nti ya ne gogo check. Nti ya dance and ye drink bedro na kai ready.
Okay.
Nti ya gogo check restaurant ye share ya na number bi wo ho Tigo number.
All right.
And ye frɛ. Also tell the lawyer ka on ye kasa kama. Enti ya no si ensane sika no. Emphasize number no so.
Hey.
Prof no ma anya fast. Esen ka me send this scan no, esen ka me hu edin na beba no. Me de ani je ma order wi.
Yeah. Etio.
But that is not say back 150. Na me name sisters 2
yeah.
450. Enti me send wi edin na ba no me ma hwempo no me ye wi. Tim koduru ho me ko je aduane ya. Patro ma order o. Na wutia o he me ko ya. No. Sand number ni dey frosted something. I'm here ready me.
And so much was saying
450 Ghana cedis. Me say after at once no. Na me gina ho. Se mi nsuo, se mi nya dey yo. Na me gina ho. Oh but enko bre.
When it started.
Yeah.
When it started.
Yeah.
Me say your officer na accountant our officer. Na fe wa sorry free the room na fe as on nam the room was na
what comes
on that's a na aden I say why you be on say e bi ho omo sha say no me text message
yeah
omo sending it said the MTN for sending the
paper yeah
to one on your message pa e the sika say out to accounts no no who's am pesca number e no frɛ omo frɛ no I'm so with your sorry or your vendor na or your mobile money and aba no is so panic bebre ne boss crab ba obey accounts don't send the idea back man eja osaya so panyi the phone na back send it back say it's in the balance e buy no next one short by the amount was said na no ko hwehwe ade ni yie pa eko o fe line na unya bio
That message is about correct. Correct. The amount of money now they are sending it behind a bat is empty for now sending what in. So you have to be smart and know the difference.
When I'm saying
yeah,
not me using my credit card. I'm so careful. Like say me use my credit card and make it purchase.
We are careful. Because someone to me hacking amount for credit cards and the twaddy online.
Especially when you have to get number there which I see.
Yes.
Yes. Which now what we could no.
Hey. What do you like to say?
About the other room.
Bibi abo there.
About the other room.
Good. Michelle pa.
Michelle.
What followed to this scam be done?
Oh, me one thing is I've had a opportunity to work at Vodafone.
Why you of
Vodafone?
Oh, okay.
Call center for so many years.
Oh, sir.
And the fraudulent cases, my experience be
wow.
So I'm very, I think I started started, that was somewhere 2011. We school now. Number be sending message so my winning look to be na then there was a me talk Satana empty moton scratch card on the car. Told the door say na to be sure number na me say this number looks familiar. And I'm a darling number no. No knowing me junior B school na no person de me young kwine.
Ujini be a
yeah.
Uni no school.
As I go no. So you see, when it comes to and I think it's migrated from scratch card no. Satana mo money ho. So now people were using scratch card no. Obi abedu port say I was so taught this number of scratch card. Now they send it and now redeem it. Sana mumu ne buy. But look at this. Telecel. Also be a kasi scam no telecel.
There be and maintain now. Telecel they maintain say ya be a kasi scam no.
So telecel no, they took their time to develop the system. What you say? And until na telecel no, you need your friend say agent no. Your friend say ne number. The agent code and son wait me withdraw sika no. So you ask yourself say adentina utimi call MTN vendor ho what deposit sika obefro no or bought the same amount. Guess what? Enye system like eyi ansana enye MTN mu database wo say me wo number before I met me about our number no. Sometimes now we need our last transaction now your friend KYC.
Okay.
Know your customer. And anything our first online they will ask you date of birth. When was the last year transaction?
Yeah.
They will need all this to be able to get into your account. There is a man be woman chair work by we honum. And I like the way oye nejuma. Say or throw a number no year transaction or small paper no their cover amount na. Oye ne nam ono ne balance na aka no nti obi gina honum no ya nti most at times no omo ana on be gina honum no obo anya so oba be ye transaction
oba pay information
oba pay info oh okay asemensi sisi oba ye 4,000 and 15,000 into offer or bought the same amount na wo ye no nti why be was ene be ya mpa o. The another way of more develop a fishing is a link. So obe send no link so click when a payment no. The moment I be click no they inject into your system they will no man hack it, they'll take all of your money.
And only a friend fishing.
Into ono no here o momo pi o here pokra say obe catch us so yes.
Hey. Until we met me a confession on me phone.
So that is why a man for sorry I know ma send so MTN ma reward say well a scam.
Hey, me dem who am I ignore.
Yeah, the moment so there are so many ways
now they be now fishing time we got to know.
O say cyber
fishing.
Yeah. And yet the normal fishing and yet FAP. Enti who stay there a bit to say papa ye or ma created different scam one papa ye a chicken man on pokwa de ne de buy no omo de wiem crofo rough and most of the times on my in a way say omo Haptel number. On say Haptel no year payment go on want me and request for reversal.
Sure.
Until first no they realize say okay so year payment no MTN to MTN no realize say a fraud announce we a mistake obetimi initiate reversal.
Yeah.
So it will hold the money into the unclear balance.
Sure.
Into frame MTN and no more reversal.
Amount.
But it does so be more a friend say momo pay number. Announce or more Haptel code. Enti omo pay won't me initiate reversal.
Sure, reversal.
After won't me initiate reversal. Unless say what frame MTN so after after NTB do Satan na edwuma edim. Enti me omo frame me most at times na me nyanto bo ase uwi an maka cho so ma me ofi o sen am so ma me ofi aka chen so mbie na nte kwa na da won iska no. But you see, people still fall friend is a victim. Yeah, majority. So I think say it is up to especially MTN to be able to do advocate education to the ground. Because mommy for now they falling victims. To see the way I working, when can you say who will be a honor na old friend na
okay you made me
na fe de what dimrika ko ba ko dunu na say
na ntisa
akwara na
me say me yam sheme
oh yeah
compare 1,000 cities to your child's life
yeah
1,000
almost kakese and the most omo hacke WhatsApp no nto hu si bia me no nkomodi die no say me bi say 250 cities a enya ade a oba puputi no ma sene so and also council link la man for ye you know any anonymous group na man for ya omo join no sa na man for omo de hacking go for bebre na WhatsApp obi o group bi onim na wa join ne yes
be say na say me da what am say you me who free me who no ma de me challenge go we pa there go we pa there
asor penny pa
asor penny amete na di ma kwa she hook group enti we na say ka oba no de o me chen no ohun ye say
baby I wa kwadu ni
la na baso ka bibi
asama kofa we nyina baaye no a police for no nsem no nyame anim ne no kreni me hu sa story na me si afem kakra
yeah
say a kwanya at times yeah police for no ede suspects e fa so no ya na
anoding
wom say yenim say nipa ne bi ho maso odin and to exact proper information at times so uhunu na kakra ba baby ya na de fa kokodro because abrante na asem a wo kan say no credit to the extent say ono a kire say obi and a baby transaction no e me ho obre me say e-cash and mama ni sika ma woko or the video evidence CCTV capture time a transaction ko nyi na abechem mo so ono no na nkonko fa nipa kro no emra ono na nkonko fa nipa kro mra
they don't even confirm
almost actually no ko on fa so by tracking the person's phone meanwhile the Ghana Police Service and the what gadgets they track it. These things are easily they can do. So why do you tell the suspect so or no and then go tracking no and fanemra? And according to the gentleman, no, almost spending about 16,000 cedis to track, and they were able to produce this guy to the police. I feel what
Nipa no be withdraw scanner.
The withdraws, yes.
They tracked him.
Almost tracking no. Once arrested, we gentleman no involved on any workers libi.
Yeah.
Arrested Then after the arrest, in fact they detained them. Let me put it that way. Friday, them detain them. And an enough of nomni idea a wolf here in a bush for no. A track is a guy no obey a transaction na ekoko chain no. I didn't break police for. Sabre no guy in the same straight of the year, you pretty big mobile money. Yeah, police are this the same nina. No, so the year you was almost the same man no. There's a 400,000 every same so year free so. And the police need according to the guy, the police need say, where you scanning the ama complainant no.
Police in
Aye. Na until say nipa na suspect no momo guy no abua ami achina ba no edi say sika no beba no onu police need the or the ama your friend is saying complainant say complainant in famra court as evidence. How? If you are going to produce anything as evidence, you police minimum. And I will be kuta na the court. Till date, guy no say until court as him be 400,000 away. If that is true, dear, and any police for no, or more adwuma bebree. Now same way so the end not that.
No, but how can a police personnel police ni and from swaba and a problem about yababe report yamamo. You are helping solve the problem. Now mako koje abrante na ni momo phone na what the year juma. Na motimi eyisika.
Almost say by court order.
By court order. Na motimi yi 400,000. Every sa account no.
Eddie akoma suspect.
Eddie akoma complainant no.
How?
I want to get the complainant. Walk us through it. How did they start?
It doesn't. You see, if the matter is before court, yes, you have the right to go expertly to court to do your investigation. We are qualified. But for a court to even grant there is a munkonko yisi kenin free mono, because the court should come to a determination. Say ampa ade we ye chrono de nya ebra we investigations no. Except go through processes. Nipa na okwa yi na every accounts no. He should have the opportunity to be heard by the court. The court be na okọ ye. Ehefa na ono no o charge no. Edne call ye di asem no so tia ka na asem ansa na ye ba na unyi kramp na if court is ordering you to take the money obeka say fa koma no complainant no e wa abra ye court. No.
Now say don't be that. This is omanya complainant na jiskana na.
That one, I don't have those facts. These are facts according to guy na ye involved. No, only narration of the abano. I'm only praying and hoping say enya no kre. Nense mo kan enya no kre. I'm only hoping and praying. So no one sim na wajina. Ye 400,000 free so no see ye 400,000 me. I'm hoping say enya no kre.
Enya no kre.
But say enya no kre sa dia. And now the police investigator involved no has a lot of questions to answer. You should bring the court order. That stated say onkonko yiska no vangonko ma suspect no say sorry complainant no say we yi now no so ehye ba bi dia ene quickly no ohun nsem kan yi because we die egu police service no ho fi egu won animu ase yenim say police for there I'm telling you prof Ghana we have one of the best police your friend is saying organization in the world. I'm telling you. The only thing is a beer or musika sem na emum peja yesa. Na da bia me ka asem say police ni ba ne kunu wo oman kronkron Ghana mu a police for anchi nipa okunu.
Me kai ukai kwaku ninja.
Kwaku ni ye kwaku obi di ne share from the cement.
Enya cement kra omusie no.
Yes.
Ewo nsuo ase. Nsuo mo river airflow.
Yes.
And no mututu ase no wodi nation but still the way.
Yomu no. Me ma odi one. Ko hwe say bia am robbery bi esi ekroma. Ya shoot na police ya for mote van yimu. Ebi ho aka etu aka no wawu. Ebi nsi da ye bechew.
Don bechew.
Unless the Ghana police won't feel. So what's your betchewa? Ewa Ghana obechew. It's a police force and enya de ketwa. We have a very strong police force. Very intelligent one for that matter. Now so you see if you be a men same room. We are there na bad notes be a day. Ababi rem. Oh yeah day be beba. And he said the can was me ye be a dear. Meaning say IGP. He is more than capable. Wabasiana.
Okay. You see, my question back one person may be guy and they say police you know or request for the Momo Pina na.
Debbie, so I requested.
One request for the
Momo Pina. A very
criminal.
No, any criminal aspect per se. A very difficult to believe. Reason being say, even those working as your friend is saying. At the MTN office. Onim pino. And even before Mpokra say, remember say, Sebi, obi the wire or nest of kin. Na I was say, Nimpane film, I was so omuyi MTN Mpokra yis kadema, na tell you, omuyi kademo. Just who call court, ekwa J, your friend is saying,
letters of administration.
Exactly, at the ban sana. Omobeti me yisika no e de amon nti se guy se court mpokra den card and mpokra basa mpokra ebeye den the only se court mpokra den card and mpokra basa mpokra ebeye den they only give a statement of the transaction. But so many sikapudo ne dia hye nensa. Omo yi.
The court crab order say koko yi scan na fa come away. Investigation now here.
So the court no owie na asem. Ombo asem ni wie. So ebede na court na ka say yi sika no na fa come asem nsi opente. But you see this is one thing. Sometimes yenti mamufo no citizens no obi hu police aya na osuro say ase oye osra ordinary person biama. Nti o hye no pe na oye nneoma ensem fata. For all you know, ebia ono so wate bibia ma police ni no. So onji we function ho nye yi na afere oba beka nsem. But this is the way a lawyer can you know. Yeah. At the end of the day, no, what we want is justice. Omo fa no kwedie ni nyina amra na ehun se police ni no ono na edi bone ana guy no. Because I think say IGP or trying a possible best say he's trying to wash that image of police service ya painti omo black in some days, in some years, decades, you know. I was all police in India. But I see our own police in India being I said, now we so just oh, Jalaban where they Jefferson home. Because Okoyen said, Brabham here,
maybe over you, Ama.
Obey you, Ama. Because the one also didn't your man, National Quemuno, said, Mamma, and ye bribe. Say assembly enya chene for bra promotion ya wodia and also per promotion I think say I say we ba say pe IGP wanya so mu de ombodo musuko na de no
because from the discussion I am tempted to believe there some na guy in the can onye no kre
na say enya
I am tempted to believe me say I am tempted to believe sir.
I agree with you.
Yeah, sir. I think sir enye no kre. Because with the explanation that you have just given, it means that without knowing your PIN, you cannot withdraw the money.
You cannot withdraw. And even baby okoye withdraw no. Yeah. Baby okoye withdraw no. Agent ko okoye withdraw no. Ni dimbe show. Yeah. MTN one data. Omo agent name, omo agent your friend say Momo your friend say Momo pay number no. Sure. So they will trace and know say agent A and agent B. Inti man say me defraud Brawi. Na me ko yiska o baby. You bet me a trace say me yiska no me transfer my number ben. Say me transfer my other networks they can cross check to know whom the number belongs to. And Momo you fan say do me hanom. Yeah. Omo amu ye adwuma hanom no. Ye nim say merchant we they are within domain. Until baby our transaction no omo so within this locality until they will fish you out. And they are very easy. Just say be asam no omo person be di echi.
All right, let's see how it pans out. Say omo ye nhwehwemu. Na IGB so ama aso ate say nhwehwemu no ekwawie a ehun ama ne bo no omo de be bo Ghana for enti ye be but in there Ochina Ghana Edina Woda 69th birthday. Building prosperity, restoring hope. The theme for the celebration tomorrow. Say ye bisa say Ghana ehini ye free ba ya. Ya baby piece abri. Patrick, boy nkomo kakra.
Prof, send wadi kan ye metifo ni ahwefo nyina akwa aba. Nyame ya adoma ochina. Oman Ghana, Oman Kronkron, Yedi 69th birthday. Send wedding can boss building prosperity, restoring hope. Say me person di coachy na anu ni ebe nature building prosperity, restoring hope. Na ansana ye benye di Ghana no ye ma abakosem kakra baby e free any baby a yedru. Na ansana Ghana ye be nemu na sa Ghana no na ethnic groups menka various ethnic groups ewo krum ha no omotete omaimu ebiti say akan mole dagbani ewe gadagme gwan any others ni bebre no mkeka hom na early kingdom and states no sa emre no in the 11th and 18th century no na kingdoms ni empires bi ewo Ghana ha ebeni Ashanti empire Dagbon kingdom Dentra kingdom any Fanti confederacy na sa kingdom si nyina na omu control edwadia na yedi ewo yesika kokom gold any ye cola nut any ivory any slaves na ni nyina link to the regions to the trans-Saharan and coastal trade networks enti sa kingdoms ya mabobosu Ashanti Empire, Dagbon Kingdom, Dentra Kingdom, any Fanti Confederacy no na nom control enyema edwadia na yedi ewo gold ye cola nut ivory any slaves ni nyina na in 1471 enya the first Europeans ombe pie Ghana ha in 1471 nom ye Portuguese ombe pie Ghana ha ye social studies JSS ye kire sa adwuma we nyina nti abakosem no yegum kakra
but abrante bitu nchen do dey say abakosem wo ni ye kana safo dey abakosem dey as nchen was on the touch dey see me so
and prof Europeans in Portuguese in bedru ha Ghana no in 1471 omo adia poti nti a attract mom bedru answer be trading in gold ivory pepper and later no be trading in slave de yankrofo ni bi ko Europe ne bi ba no ko ye adwuma wo plantation farm sane ye tin no na Portuguese ni build first European structure in Elmina, that's the Elmina Castle in 1482 na sa castle ebe ye major slave trading center pa na the slave trade you know slaves ni ebi fa ho ekọ na banso a de bi afa ho na ye bebusa se adenti na sa omen a ye friend Ghana sesia no ni ye friend Gold Coast na emunchiremu ni se other European powers no ebe control part of Ghana gold no ebi ni Portugal for Netherlands for Denmark, Sweden and United Kingdom UK. Now eventually no British for ebe control most of the territories by the 19th century. Sani abakosem ekire no. Now British colonial rule no in the 1874 no and Britain for almost formally established the colony called the Gold Coast Colony in 1874. And British for they formally established the Gold Coast Colony. No muki leaders ni bini JB Dankwa, Kwame Nkrumah, Edward Akufo-Addo, William Oforiatta. Now, no actually number for me a Conventions People Party under Nkrumah, who was leading the CPP in the year 1949. No mu slogan and ananbeka so mu slogan na ka the diomonim self-government now because now UGC is self-government within the shortest possible time. But CPP for ne bind there and Nkrumah lead no mo bind there say there be there self-government now. And the formation of CPP na no slogan na di edwano no. Now in the 1948 in route we see a major turning point occurred during the 1948 and now 1948 Accra route. The main cause and this route by say British soldiers were shot 3 servicemen protecting colonial injustice. British soldiers shot 3 servicemen protecting colonial injustice. Nasa protesti muno kum Sergeant Ajete, Corporal Atipo, and a private or dati lamte, international and wasem ebesi. Now elections and self-government in the 1951, the British organized elections and a CPP won me overwhelmingly.
CPP before we need.
CPP before we need in the 1951.
1951. Election ben on where?
Election when you see British for no a year route ni wie yen omukum Sergeant Ajete Corporal Atipo and the private or dati lamte and na CPP for a demanding for self-government now and na organize sa election and sa election na CPP e win year Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ebe ye leader of government business and later obeye prime minister na ye koya nima in 1957, on the 6th of March, the Gold Coast gained independence. And now, Papa, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Brano winning election, and the country was renamed Ghana. And now, the first sub-Saharan African country to gain independence from the colonial rule. And Gold Coast, see, the country ni Ghana, ni dini Ghana. Na ni dini Ghana, no. Emma ni the first sub-Saharan African country to gain independence from our colonial masters. In 1957, no, the name Ghana was inspired by the ancient Ghana Empire, and a war present day Mali and Mauritania. The first government of Ghana, and yet Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, a major achievement. And ye board Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and I say, ye bought a name be a walk room ha. Ye mock Dr. Ye enjoy Dr. Kwame Nkrumah din border. No class 1, class 2, class 3. Now Busa could be say, I call Sombo dam. One see ya. Oh, more beer din than Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Yeah. This is the Baba. This is the Baba Cooper.
Yeah. No. Yeah, your mambo for and Dr. Kwame Nkrumah major achievements be or yeah, and Akosombo dam, and Abwaya men, electricity or mine, am I a cry supply, and my man be a warrior chain. And I feel so, or created the Volta River Authority, AFRA, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah achievement, and I feel also promote Pan-Africanism. Pan-Africanism.
Pan-Africanism, where
and that. Pan-Africanism. Lawyer Moore had South African,
that's fine.
African, no. I'll say, yeah, but two about Cosem.
Pan-Africanism, no.
Africans or
preach African unity.
African unity.
Say, a mine who draw a baby. He said, when you go to the United States of America, says, Bibisa, I know.
And also, to me, I
don't know how worry.
Samia. Fatia.
Akoisa.
Go him. And Osanso Boamaye create the Organization of African Union.
Sure.
And also account. Now, assembly here in 1966, na military coup. Nkrumah government no omutu no free adie so 1966 sorry. Why it was no abruchire military for etu na adie so. Now that period of school within the 1966 and 1981 no important leaders been so EBP Ignatius Kutu Champon Fred Ekufu and na yema mpani a nansanya onyan baby koy Jerry John Rawlings and also ebedi mu akutine be within the 1979 and in 1981 and everyone na for your return call democracy and in 1992 Ghana adopted a new constitution. This started for the Fourth Republic. And Rawlings and the first elected president under the new constitution.
Under the Fourth Republican dispensation.
1992. And the Democratic Ghana.
And everyone about President Kufuor. And about President Mills.
About John Evans
Mills. And about John Dramani Mahama.
And about Nana. And I say, see, idea. Say your mom penny, John Dramani Mahama.
Abusha for a between one by your bicycle. Lawyer Keke Sebewa has also Emmanuel lecturer UPSA and Abantu. He speaks for the NDC. We're going to be right back after this break.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the OBN himself say prostate. Na baby omutimi screening ema huni ye etu asia. Na a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anase a kidney, a liver problem. Wofa baby and ajujo. Na the funny premature ejaculation no a be maybe a woni wodofo akwakwehia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ebra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na ye moa. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo da mufua. Yare bia infections bi na wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wofa baby na adwodwo kidney problem prostate de eye endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic ewo kronoma boy hia na akra hanso so de wo mu gina mu ankasa ewo spinters bebre friend share signboard no huduro na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic obia ebechiro for endpoint ewo 0244867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mu dem
me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag mi
bra aden ena so biem
time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kwin ani wayi mi ensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abaako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofa ni nyina
time heba me hya me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de mekwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture
enye enunku de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no time heba mixture duro no ena ye ma wo oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada nofo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab ameye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se o petam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop dodo na emu
Fre 0244417669
kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ
FDA agi adwade nkratoa yi atu
medo edura no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima menya homka senti na ye bokoi na me de me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem
na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me de hwimese
enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham
oh yes enu krotrodo yas herba yas whitening and yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa
se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy 21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma gye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na no nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na ba so wo nsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na 21st clinic still wo ye sciatica expert
tontonte yanum nsane e fadwen
ne e fadwen mpa se na nim se bre bi beba ama tonti na 74 upa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro
tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho den
tonti na 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa anka fi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
se mennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa
woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoyi atom 21st clinic a sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye fra 0540311311 0540311311 na se 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
abusia for your koso amama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country so lawyer KK Sebe speaks for the New Patriotic Party and Amiaminu Bantu also communicates for the NDC and Emmanuel there I don't know maybe Awujina. He has no political party now. I'm saying now because I don't know what the future holds for him. And then he's a communication expert with the UPSA and the Womona Matanas in the year Yebeko and Seminole. Lawyer Keke Sebe, have you been following Apanyo Mackinson Samnana?
Oh yes.
So what can you say?
I'm so my hits in Bemu and Temdo with Momo no ne ya obi a kai enti nyanchia for cry na panel members ne ahwefo e matifo ne ahwefo nyina so aha
sure
and na wie and on na boss adwon so panel members nyina so but to ne mini lecturer from
Emmanuel
UPSC
UPSC. Now so what UPSC for nka in the news in the news what you
oh send news in the doors and them nyante
oh sir
they can them nyante
oh
latest aba
or how back
okay
discipline you
oh me pacho asem na aba na ye ka
e ho dem nyante
oh nyante
the akoso parliament no yes Martina my follow so kakra fine
sure
you know Apenyo Makin is a fine gentleman and he always says it say ono de ogidi say ni pamfom so ye ho wo kan bi na say one ususu uhunu say no ade amekan man kan yie and I say two what can some for unua ho
sure
unua say asema o kan no anya me de as a gentleman you apologize to your brother and you withdraw na say utie nsema o kan no eyia it was in the heat of the moment say sha said the parliament ye nneoma ewo honom no say president ebeka say we are you see say the minority leader no ne comments or personal something at least or try say or be highlighted the negative aspects of the government both sides sounds when I say a core majority and so or be try say or be praise
government you know
so in the heat you know or making some pronouncements be afterwards Honorable Muntaka a file say Yemfanenko Privileges
Committee you know
on his feet you know or make certain statements are also for what you call you pa
but imagine alcohol
you realize say bibi she baby na bibi o honso eba na ebia on that day of sona no the way or can no give you impression be as if say Muntaka was personally involved and no enema sa the third scene abano so okay am abeka kire wo ha say yabato eto no ha nioma bebre na nioma bebre nso hihye mpaase a afei and ebeba 2016
no you said it and if you said minority the office said minority leader Kokan and the statement he made on the in parliament you know one of those issues
one of those issues just that in the heat you know the way it was presented it appeared say the minister Mutaka himself aye bibi boni it is a utie even Apenyo Markins the subsequent statements after abuso ochusu the words are very carefully on the bange say bibi NC wo baby yes say assembly o ho a ɛsɛ ɔkyeamea no asɛm bi nso wɔ hɔ a yɛwɔ deɛ asɛm bi ase na no enti agya nneɛma bi mu ato hɔ yɛgu so yɛyɛ investigations and at the right time no the right people will come and speak to the issues the one of them and ɛyi ne tiba no but in the heat of the moment no that's why I always make reference to that it is some of them
and so like I said the submission I will make you feel say I was ha ban hwehwɛ saa de no mu ana
officially the betuja
mo de betuja
officially the betuja
wow
ama aban no minimum say at least
you know something that we don't know that the NPP or the minority is planning.
Oh, so utie Tafo MP. No ama hint kakra e wo baby. Utie lawyer
beg.
Joy FM. No ye Opon Kroma.
Kojo Opon Kroma.
You see say enoma bi eden e boboba but it's a see no orderly. Na ankwanko ese me tia se see
but you see a minority leader of his stature Ghana politics you have seen or you have an information pertaining to this particular allegation I want to make it on the floor of parliament. Why would he beba say asamna or kan or apologize no or retract it?
And I say take particular interest in his choice of words.
Which choice of words?
You will realize say and I in the heat of the moment the way it was presented it seemed say Muntaka himself had something to do with it. But you see some of these things most of the time I am not the one leading to say the minister nankasa no onim de ekoso. It is only when a new may be ever up and if you are going to and say so this are going on in my ministry. It doesn't mean necessarily say or no ankasa is involved in the matter.
No, I don't still get it because Afenyo Macken apologizes, withdraws recruitment fraud allegation against Interior Minister.
Good. Against who? Interior Minister. That's the point I'm making. It's not the say allegations be any baby but against the Interior Minister.
So you feel say maybe koso ni ministry wa ebia na onwankasa enim ho.
Ebia na wonim. Because
but uneasy lies the head that wears the crown.
That's fine because the back will stop with you.
Sure.
But it doesn't mean say once you have SC place, you are not responsible for your actions. You understand? If then by extension, then the back will stop with President Mahama. Inti say police ni bi koye na de baby a. They said the sabe and someone here discussing. It say ampa said the branch can ampa. Near you the police ni no. Eye enyambrasem wanko court bia no makotwe obi sika. Police no report ma Muntaka. Or report ma Muntaka in quotes or Shenase is within the interior under the interior ministry. And sa sanity. It is our police near enyambrasem wedi e de kwakoshe Muntaka na. It me function man ye. It's not everything the facts on the oversight over them no. And na eye or no in a bit take the ultimate blame. Who police in now here no. It will stop with you.
And you see say allegation now Apenyo markings and make there could be more to it.
There could be. That's what I'm saying. Say
listen, there could be more.
There could be. Because the choice of words ni ya baby or can ye kofa minister ne hono.
And on an hard
na we yes to all can say you are my brother. And I know this. Listen to what he said very well. Any report crowded by CCA. He has withdrawn, say, in the heat, and some more kind, and just not only a minority leader. You would think he would just come up and say anything about who's only be Okutemwana. Until let's give time some time.
All right. Mamin Nawasin, Bantu. Yes, on this particular issue, right?
Batu.
Unim. Ayana me say Uniani Janet Bantu. Ukai Janet Bantu Castro. Oh, ana won kai. Hey,
me kai pan. Oh,
ana sabi who e kakra.
There be me kai pan. Oh, say enche bibiri sa.
Janet Bantu. Who kai ne pa?
Oh, me kai.
Then I kai fa no.
Oh, enye friends nkwansia na ekwesi wo Akwa Safari.
Okay, then I kai pa. Ba wo de ne de batu.
Batu.
Okay, my intie.
Se muni di she kronkron.
Siremuni. Who free him?
Me konkomani.
Kongomani. Hey, ubo kongoma for me kai sa wo bi na ba siremo de bremi atwem. E de ja wo ye bruta.
Ene ne janka.
Ene de janka.
Okay, Rafi. See,
me ba try friend brapre, friend ABOTCHIE.
Prof.
There be ABOTCHIE in the Prof.
ABOTCHIE na open.
Rafi ndi asemu ho. Asemu. Ni bia meka kire.
You see?
Now, when you saw that mic on, baby, oh, Charlie, oh, good. But your mic, I say for the can be a boy. Because this one was on, hey, baby, somebody,
we be say na ya.
Yeah, ready. Oh. We want to say for move and chair, right? But
you see,
the former Bunois regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party, chairman Tuba. No, Dini. I think it's his 63rd or 64th birthday. I was chairman, but who for pow? Na denga, but no name some my friend or after some more and everything, Mom will get you for yourself. I'm saying, hey, chairman, what was it?
You see, in Kenya, say, I say, MPP as a political party, under the leadership of John Dramani Mahama. Every now and then, they are craving for scandal. Because one,
SOMPA FM
says scandal beba. Ejina nimpa yede asyoe bia hye nansa. Annuema pa wo so ye. Ne onye. Ene wo babonten eye boni. Se obi ewo asyoe bi. Ne se bia oman ni sika bi ana wafokoti kwan bi so eye nnuema eti amra. What the babonten say ni na esi. Even pokra no oman panyin ankasa aka say ni ebenam no so a first scandal beba oman due. So enka enya de passe a year encounting omo ye di dibrasha omo nsa no omo bu omo aso ye enya de pa hwe me braka no ka so o apenyo marking ba back e betwe na no sign se ugu obi hu fi na later on oba na oba retract ya what can you asem na o kan no enye no kre enka no kra se o me pa acho se o kan na wonim se asemami kemi wonyina so na se ya file se enfo nko privilege committee a e mo ga so emamem kwe because mi wonyina so enti se o beka so o ibia recruitment na o mo ye no fraudulent activities be wom a o wonyina so a well, you don't have to come and apologize. And once you do call, now I'm you do call. Now with the aba, ni who say, I'm pampan. Asas ye no. Ni ma boni bi e den. E koso. John Dramani Mahama bobo abaso. Because oh buana amene yi certain rot within the government. That is not to say. Yamane so omo ya appointee no ebi ni appetite to commit crime People have appetite to commit crime. But this is what the president is saying. It will be Burma commit crime in the neck. So I think that we've gotten to a point we are cleaning the political system. No, na business as usual. Umbe making certain claims. I would in a parliament. Yes, we press conference.
But Lawyer Keke is telling us a different thing altogether. Say there could be something more to it, and then maybe in the coming days,
I don't.
The party will come out, the minority will come out through a press.
You see, I don't have
press conference.
I say minority or more by a press conference or upon press conference. Anytime they make us say, I don't have issues if they have a concrete evidence. Say, as you do or hold no man, there are fraudulent activities going on. What the bar? His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Obetu one more. Basa unim na se ukremu na se won fa mama eni hujuma. That means we about money. You are not helping the government to succeed. And I say, oh, obi eshe na share no din someone here. Na at the end of the fact now the bebano. E chram pampa say nimpa na she o di bone. Na me sama batuma betena e ka so odi bone ana ye de ananse. No, the law will deal with the person. San ye buo mine. It is over cancel go just like that. No later I will retract so you want your machine pass. Now what they train when? Nyama na why she pass no what they train when? And now so Babeka with without no evidence. Now at the end of the day, who couldn't pay with you so you are sorry. Sorry, and what can you? Sorry does not amend the harm that you have caused. Nameka not as here. No one is saying that I understand. But when in pano or nibone, and there is nothing of that sort. Why would you say later on because you are sorry?
But if you say, Apenyomakin, a chopper na wapano, na wa withdraw this statement. You feel say, I was buying still go ahead with some investigations into this matter.
So asama okano obwa. Onwa ne kan no san so obwa. So aban no anamonto be no betu afa ho.
Ye na si for mame why.
Enti to me MPP apre or more pray to say premature ejaculation o munyai.
MPP then. Apre or more precedent.
Or more scandal.
No, Debbie. Who say MPP then?
Me say. MPP. Apre or more pray to say premature ejaculation no. Or more scandal no. Omunyai. Debbie and me with you. Omunyai. It is not healthy.
Now one go kasa asem na ye den.
Necessary no mo ye. Press conference after last
year. They say premature ejaculation. Na no so e go free hin e beto.
Oh, na say omo ne ye eno ne say. Say me ye medical laboratory science.
Sa.
Ntu omo so omo anamontuo ne sa ye friend saying. Say. Abotchie ti ase.
Menti ase. Because premature menti ase. Yerebandu asichire na sen.
Ye kaso obi wo premature ejaculation, most especially mema. Patre na yo.
Asichire na sen.
Asichire na.
Oh, you. Mate, mama na say. On this note of premature ejaculation, patre yo no. Mama ko na me ko tie Emmanuel. Mama ntie.
Prof.
Yeah.
Me chala machia with you for the omomo here Facebook live.
Yeah.
Me and penny for omotia say. Quick one. Akamfo baby o mubu say asem wa adanse ni ho no. Ye twa asem na bi. Na ye dia ya adanse ya.
Asem na adanse ni ho no. Asem na bi ni ye twa.
Na ye dia ya adanse ya.
Ko wenim.
So wenim honorable Afenyo Markin. Not as a minority leader, as a politician. Kwaya or faso, ebe MP wo winiba. Or flippy winiba. Amana be MPP safe spot. or casem more parliament our own fan trasa. Forget about the fact that you're a minority leader. Honorable Afenyomakin is a student of politics. He's a strategist. Now, in communication, you have two concepts. I may be explain this. Different agenda setting and I will framing. Now, agenda setting is in some trophy you may say you better be so ya adebetibiano in some be brain because we are saying. Then the media will sit down and tell you, say, okay, and nema and a see any way, and a who he had been home. So they set the agenda for you. This is what you should talk about. Say by one my
sure.
Ghana or Ghana be
we'll talk
about that, right? But there are other issues that one fan can list on. So you have set the agenda for us.
All right.
So share baby or the caucus asem. Why didn't he say it a week before? Omampani aba we are seeing na ehwe no. E ho no caucus asem no. It should tell you about some motive. One was set the agenda. And then how he framed it, said now lawyer Sebeka no. In the heat of the moment, no, the frame looked as though say you can say muntaka enim hu bia na muntaka eni diboni. So agenda setting say dwene asem we ho. Then framing says dwene ho was how kwan we so. Part of them can what you say. So now when he comes back, I think somewhere Emra or 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Abraham Muntaka raised the issue. They said we're going to finish. His first response was that you know what I know. As I mean, we are near Chadia dance, you know what I know. It is also the member called privileges of Fameko. Then he comes back the next day to say that there was a part that was say my intention was not to tarnish your reputation. But if you say that, then I withdraw. So he's withdrawing on an if condition that so what's the American Mogu who feed the any metric sign. He has not withdrawn withdraw frame, no, the agenda is there. Who say Bible muna bon something baby na Nyankopon ko say when who meba Job. Ebina afenoma ken the IS ministry. Forget about government. Government will not go in there. Say government cause we own hu hwe. Yet how be see be the fourth estate. San komo we yebes na bidi. A media house or a first move central for your more in same way.
Yeah,
investigative journalist be kwa room e the same aba. I'm not saying that he's afenyo right and I say or you're wrong. I'm saying that from how events no see from baby or the coca asem no any you know what I know. Any say what's magu who fin dia metre sign no. As a student of communication, metre asem no who be America church say e be see this ankomo. When we said the abanda dan here SML or man boy ma yenya $1 billion from downstream or say upstream or mo ka mo brofo. Yet one media house will be called fire. He knows what he's doing. When him asem wa woka. Na wa kan ja hosa no. When him say obi be fa. Na nipa na afa obi foforo kofa. Na se ohun de afa no kan ni se saa nete a. E ho ne ebete ne strategy na se. Na se omo koso na omo hu hwe a. E ho ne ebete description minua bound today ma se omo ya pepere aye hwetre sram e minority.
All right, better was say for remember say exactly 5. You be activate lines and I'm also do a drink back number be phrases so 0260-196064 0260-196065. I mean I'll say 2074 and that's what German so come up you have to what team in the say oh ya diabetes say hepatitis B and C. Wahra no brebo ho aka. Ojunso a bema ya just o chairman sana Johnson aba. O kase nipa ho a ba na bema. Na nipa no trinity akonechi. We have something we call halitosis, bad breath. Ebi na ewo so ana wo yem kru oba obunta amanfo de wada ne calendar. Da wo be hu se wo ye nofo bia no na che se wo bunsa. Ana wo bo wa kpoho. Obu na ehye wana. Ana wo tena ka mu ana wo na ase atata. Me ba to kai wedro and one at 74 T74 ebeka wasam edi amount nampono se opese obon ho ban efi yade ho a wei aye duduo mu duduo anopa no wabobi anwumre no wabobi ebema wagina brane ebema wo bodwuma ewo bebia bema adwuma wo so obo no wo fie ede hye wo ho kane animunyam wobɛbɔ abana so ani sɛ wokɔ na wokɔ akɔsoa concrete so a wobɛnya hoɔden de ayɛ sɛ adwuma no ɛma nipadua no ahoɔden ne sononko T74 yi Food and Drugs Authority for agye atom woyɛ ɔba a wafeforo a ɛnyɛ mma wo ɔba a woma akɔda nofo wo so ɛnyɛ mma wo sɛ abɔfra a wo no so only 12 years dumienu wo so enye mao me pacho opetontina 74 ibi atoa drugstore pharmacy shop bia ben bia no nsa beka ba duduo mu se opo so toton a bomoding na fa weni trade o kai si drug lane wo kumase a Ashton calling herbal. And also if you want to call number be phrase so 024 60 73498 024 60 73498 and now ubetimi afre 050 162 8931 Tontina 74 Edrowi beti omoso ama sorry prekope. Now back to the conversation of Ghana. Ochina Ghana AD 69 years. And then it has been teamed say building prosperity and restoring hope. Say yebisa say Ghana wabra na yenya independence no. Yeni aman mu na yenya ye. Ana say yedi Kenya independence na kra fan hudie no. Ansa na aman fufuro bi eba benya. So yebisa say Ghana be ebe do. Is that a rightful position? Question we are asking today, all for God and country. So you think say Ghana and Kabananka was yakuye nim change say ana? Has Ghana been drawn backwards? If so, by who? Menewo yekahwana, Yamanyofo ekahwana, or are we to blame our leaders? Let me take a listen to Batu my NT on this subject. That's also a microphone, my boy.
Ebano, Ghana, your independence.
SOMPA FM.
Every year, all the time. They are sending, but you see, now no name no be dim come so oh Ghana ye ball and a fine the cuisine and then besides so onumun so all the time. Or some of the two form. Now, Mr. What the two form? Into the two form, Mr. the two form. No, if you said any BC, got an ebe choked. You should try a babu abo be them. Into opese police in a big jina ho. No one show. I don't say won't mean you so wide and so. I did baby I made it tree. A buano netto a target them names you try and so answer benny. Because me can be I say the be a castle you were independent, you were independence. Africans any independence. Directly and indirectly, that's a shabro for you and answer. Every now and then, see a call of Bobby. They will tell you, say, I was so we see. Say, you back kind of crap, Ghana. Adumache di anema onyankopon de ache no ye nken wose ye lakehwe but at the end of the day no him for na ehwe so ya amanyofo na yen amanyofo no ye na ehwe o man so because at the end of the day no there are projects bi wo ho no ma ye twa de ba kire wa bisa won say inti sa project we akai room no bisa won say inti says can ye kwaji fi Nina majority Nina certificate. Time my friend say Kwame Nkrumah mo ko di enimu eje independence. To say the way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or born home modern say na ban a waba. Obe make sure say corruption obe tu ase ontimi tu aso obe bra no ase na we appoint you uko endorge ni illegality say no obe wa home. Bisa ho one simple question say Mahama ne time be twem na the next president na the next when timi anhye so what will happen? We'll go back to square one. Enunti na obe hu say an appointee bia an a minister wonim so ne salary ni at the end of 4 years no o hwe what wa accumulate ya not to be someone say into wo salary ne ma wo say
Sompa FM
nkenye ne sanka ade nti na wasomo man ye de o man futuo de ahye wo nsa so hwe so na at the end of the day no your former finance minister o amama so na adwojo ye nyina ye politicians ya. And even here let me say this, even within your fancy government no,
yeah,
the fact say ye nchi obi ni nche so obi mposa nyoma o baby. I'm being frank. See ye nchi wa se be onyo kromfo.
yeah.
But at the end of the day, no, we still have a friend saying, "En kron a year, oko baby no he baby ankwala transition idea. Ubisa on into we mo kangana ho."
Okay.
Oko no hu isu omo no ma. Omo ni a friend in preko ne a friend say, "Mrichire mu na enum isu." Nantwie. Then you ask yourself, into omo kan ye ho. Even Accra here, utimi rasom community be no be say nti Accra na hanso kan ho ana. But at the end of the day no aban na omo ya allocation eko. Enye say omanpanyin baaye na wan no so sisia no ye friend say independence no ye nkoye no so we ye ndie nka first nka ye twa budget de ato ho. Nka wengo chi na ebedi nka millions of Ghana cedis no kwambra that percentage no di entina yakoka na saa na eko ne akaso ya ji independence enne me no kase na honorable kese ato forcing
yeah
one I think say Belgium omo ye debt restructuring. Ye di omuka. And there are so many things. IMF aye wa with the conditionality baby ye dey twa ho ahyi. Enye nena His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aba. And what bibi ti se go board. And ye hu fasudi a ye tu fom agudi a kakra ba ye ho a nga first net sen. Ba be ka so ye tu oye ye tu go ye tu boss ye tu se na ni nyina akosi sen. By see your independence. It is say your independence na say Nyankopon de sa nemo we nyina de achen.
Sompa FM.
No be afinikuro no abeto no betu no amaye kitu e bi say monyi we mfa nhya mo. Adenti na kokua ye yentimi ye production wa.
And add value.
Inti ye pa che say inti yentimi nti sika bi enti company ma yan produce ye millionaire yi wa hanom. By your independence. Let's put politics aside. But at the end of the day no eboa ya manyofo na ye hweso. By your name slogan upon slogan, administration upon administration, but the value will remain the same.
Of which your government is part.
I'm saying, say, I am saying, say, and yes, John Dramani Mahama buy no scrap will say, there's not going to be any budget when it comes to your friend is saying independence celebration, what I view. Enka wanka, sing a better futu diaba. Besides, can I queen? And your parade nane bakujina, si can I queen? Nti wakata diverted that side, no, says he cannot back into another sector. So you ask yourself, say, if government changes, would they maintain that attitude and answer they will go back to the old one? Because onono adwempa say na me pese me buo man no. Obi so beba so years to go beka say Debbie. I want my government to be in this way. Until independence no, e was so mutwa futuo na ekọ. Then we are back to square one. Because my mama will not be in government forever. He will not be in power till eternity. Until adwempa no dey bu no. The question is, no obeba biom some years to come no. Obey the same thing and answer or obey so new kill new law.
SOMPA FM.
They make it out here. So we have to look at all these things. And yet name me no, nothing name me the bet me name me. But the impact. That is what we should be looking at.
All right, so if you say governments over the year no, Oma failure mind Ghana.
Honestly, and yes a government, young politicians. Let's put it that way.
Politicians are that's the one I'm forming government.
Exactly.
What feeling
because as at now still now they are having water crisis.
Places of convenience, baby.
You get it. Enye no na nansen ya your friends say Temaport who diverted 19 trucks of cooking oil. Trailers who
Temaport.
Na custom for na friend say omo divert their call Niger na so for na omo chain.
Was it a diversion?
Na nye diversion e dey. Ade amode ko. Mun declare your friend is saying tax. And per what I heard no che say eye scheme bia e wo ho omudi luti omano. So you ask yourself say 85 million Ghana cedis into I
don't know that issue I will raise is here. No? I know say some custom officers have been interdicted, right? And again, I'm also aware that there is an investigation ongoing. And
no more interdict to omuni ye you.
Why?
Recently tramado be omo bus system
no Debbie. Yeah, interdicted for, yeah.
So you see, and yet the mindset. Yadrin no. And yet then ye chia woka obi so pekọ som na ko ye mfa no. Obi so pedwuma nya ye ba wo de chia woka ba wo sa wadwumpo se ma mi nsem bo ma no.
Na customs kra na ade na de bia da obi nya adwuma ho na obosi.
They say they know what is there.
Bantu me that.
To me no. To me no the mindset of the citizens. Say ya answer ya adwen. Oh. Government upon government beba different team beba. Ya be kan san let the value be the same.
Yenara ya sasene ayabo dendeng mayen mojana nanu mushego ne me no so have you listened to the lyrics in that particular song? Your national anthem, your national pledge. God bless our homeland Ghana. Sometimes when I reflect with here, like I now me reflect on the words you compose your national anthem, your national pledge. I feel disappointed as a Ghanaian. Like let's take a listen to you.
Yo, Prof, me that's na. Mini about to so wakasa. Na question idea. Me say bisa rhetorical question wo ho say. Yenara sa senior na woken e abodenden e mai moja nanananum hwiegu edinya to ho ma yen. Eti nananum om hwie moja edinya to ho ma yen se de na pato e cheche say a soldier force, a police for a soldier for me and send me na yekokun omo ne ade ni nyina no. Ene so mo sinsen wiem no mo hwe Ghana. Ene se Kwame Nkrumah sinsen ho no wo hwe Ghana. Ene Se JB dan kwanom hye ono mo hwe Ghana. Enti omo be ye proud say after 69 years of independence baby am pempen so ono mo edri mu se Ghana ebedu no ehọ ne adu ya na. Se ehọ ne adu ya ene ne aya de hallelujah. Se ye nu ho nso so de a na kire se ye di omamu ni nyina hwamo ene wona wode yo moja eto ho ede gima ye no ye di won hwamo. Na meme de obisamia mesi ni pain se menyi ntum se baabia Kwame Nkrumah ebra wo breye JB dankwa bra wo breye akwaje bra wo breye empanyifo nyina bra wo mo breye no no mu susu ye ne se 69 years e ba betena baabia tie megiri se no mo hwehwe se de koye nim chen baabia ne ye wei na eba ne sen yana yasa asini na wo kana o kan bibi wo se nimde ntraso nkontonkrane ene pesemi kuminya edi yan bra mu dam
sabosu bio
nimde ntraso kontonkrane ene pesemi kuminya edi yan bra mu dam eno na ama ba bia we nto se o man ni se beye yio se enye yio ejina yen me no mie ne so
sure
ya ne ka amanyofo eye no kre say amanyofo are the leaders so they should show the way na dia ya wa amanyofo ye ho ne say to gain you kind of political points inti say obi onya amanyoni ene odi bone na akoka se sie ya esanse aban a oteso ni nti ya na ebi ko fra ni nti no aban no be sori e defend say ni pakron say de bibi ensiye so ko public accounts committee books mu a sikadie bebrebe mi bisa say civil servants the this kind of politicians the this kind of about 80% of the monies that have been recorded anya politicians civil servants. Civil servants, because Assembly Ghana has a CIA, yeah, an MPP, yeah, an NDC, yeah, we are giddy, near Quaco baby. Me never to cancel your say. Obisa, Obi say, oh no, monsieur, yeah, what the tone? $1 million question. $1 million question. Oh no, monsieur, yeah, what the tone to me? Make me a bola. Adia mi chiri kura ne se mehunu se obi aye bibia wie no wato form maybe because of Patase MA Junior Secondary School ameko yintia ye honom no se ye headmaster set a spice within your own people
hey
na unim se nka usually no yes we compound proof we say omo ni ma de na de ye but we de omo awonsas omo ntimi ntro wudi no
omo no mo ye
ontimi spell on wani di no ono na headmaster de sa ne oma na hye nensa eti se unim na wo jai bibi to ho a so at the end of the day hu nipa wo tro wudi de ko ye da assembly baba babo ti emfa de nto nti aka me ho eti nyoma bi ho no mo a esese ye de tete ye mofra no said the Americans etiti omumma American first Donald Trump ye bombo ne nkrofo cross we are winning odema Iran ankonko bombo White House and ne Donald Trump because we are winning mindset
SOMPA FM
mindset ade na DJ enkoda no and na crowd ya say ya crowd ya pabo yes Gen Z's na band say yenka omasem and then just say we are rather going to get a worse situation than ye wo mu say. I didn't think come asem. I fa ne yakoi. Enti Ghana na ye panini ana say ne de hin. Asema da bia meka say etimi ka kire ye ho say aban adwuma de ye mfa nsoa ye twe ne fom. What kind of sebe for want of a better word. Enyam braka sabe no. Enka de ka be fa so akese eye o man na de ade e betim de adi dwuma ama mabunu be wo ha ahanu apem anya adwuma aye no obakofo so wa fashion botom odi akwa si fie kese one na yire ne ma na enjoy ewomu na uru afisa nipa no na mo ekom dino Yesu Kristo ava akwatafo bi anya example amayen o Bible mu ese kom de omo ye de makogu ekro na ja so omu ba ko se da bi ye ko ho mbekun ba ko ye tra hanso a ekom be den ebekun yen ane ye nsore ni yenko ene obi se all die because me kwana mangu a menyade enti no bi enne onim se galam say me kwa amana no ebukun mi nua enra ba enne obekọ why because we nwu a onyade wotira fia obewu enti akwatafo no me yeden omokoi ekope bibi ombede enti akoda na ono so ne opportunity wodi aye bibia ma oyere no ma no anadwomo da hwa no de tu awura wo so no de aba be kire wo so wa botuo wanim ni awrepu ma why because of persemin kuminya ekuye se Ghana fo nye ti bi kan no kra nche ye ho nie no kra ma oman no oman Ghana osu I'm telling you baby an kra wo bia osu wo se ye bi bia manyosem e no man na say na me ne ga say independence be ha na wan e wi ase ha na independence Venezuela president oyi Owai, yanche no nkoi.
Omache
no. Hwan na etimi aka ho bibi. Anya na Iran yakọ bombo eku supreme leader. This time around Okuja to release statement on.
Oh, asema o kan here na say ba Dr. Mahmoud Baomi ane ne hu kani.
Da bi meka yekokum supreme leader no.
Na ka statement be na person release.
And I say akọ Venezuela release statement. I don't independence na me che no we for me nya de na say independence e kan ya no ne ge we independence ka kufu ado ansan LGBTQ gay no kwansan ye we independence ka do mahama se mo kan nyina ko bank onsan o ka se do mahama ope se sa bill no ko onu aka so san kompe e kufu ado ne ko san kompe ne ge man political points be Ghana ha na intidate president mahama te ho. So wherein lies our independence. Nobody can grant us that independence until say yanyankasa. Yabema ya dwene ada oni ene man no adi ne yie. Ni ama ye man na fa ne ntoma pa efra. Obi wo engineer wa, obi ye medical doctor, obi ye okuta adwuma bi wa. O ma ne ho pa na okɔhye Dubai a, okɔhye UK a. Ade adwuma na okɔyɛ ho. Anya prapra de boss mu awɔhye ɛna ɔwɔhye. Nya asibi ohun emanom di kontomre bro no osa asibi wo honom se si hwan na university students ba class obakọ watching kukomu onye ba kwa abroche dia onani je ho class oye obi aye ne de na aye na aye fe na wo ye bi ne ba otumi wo krom ha na wo hwia ye sika dia kwa kogu abrochire wadwene eye papa wadwene da otrim eye papa ti da be na wo de be ye yie Ghana is bleeding. I don't know me near batu ka say industries da ye kan ye enya kufa na ka say friends yi Gorgeousburg economy obo ba this Gorgeousburg economy wanya mfie ngotwe ya friends yi yetimi over 10 Gorgeousburg economy in 8 years they couldn't baby and there's something NDC yi kasa ne ye ne namu ne de ko ne nka no kra nche ho me party A me party B enti anya kra ne support Sompa FM oba support am man na sei akwada na kom de no odituo beba bi gina so ye nka no kra enchire yo ye na si from NDC say ene we from ya pese breso kwa me nkroma pereso tete kwashi breso koko bo ekosoro ba from memboa world market I say sa da be ni ateso da na ko du bra bia ya ateso na ubete anya abanmufo asa afa konya akwakotina minkura nketuan ekwo mo se usika na yate so no e better chain that enna bi de what an impudence so ono no te ono nim se onim the difference between $200 and $300 on the onim what say so no na say o catch say hey mate so kra na e better na nipa no oni teacher ni na ekwakoto enuoma ekurum ono ne de no what so any ekwato teacher ni pay so yi wo minister na afa akonya kokoti na ho no ade ne yente wakatua so nya ka se enuoma abafo mti ye te wo de so
na se kuku board mpanyifo no mo ho no so my
no kra de fato nchen eno kra de chese ho kra de be hyema bufuo mo
sa
yes
Everybody show.
Everybody no who say omo market so. Everybody.
So maka.
Everybody dey say omo hunu ye. Say afi wo kwati ekuafo de no so a backfire no. Eti wo pe bibia ye na ba be hye baabi. Ni aka say ade no wo hunu danger ba no. One till de no so kan wo ko renovate wo fie CEO of Cocoa Board. Meboa on cars be 150 on Christ Emra. On Christ Emra and it's not wo ye den. Na me twa to no. Afisi Eco World Cup.
Eco World Cup.
Oh, say Ghana, the chairman of the Black Star Management Committee, no. Why? And then Randiabi. And then Randiabi was sebi you. Or the frame of mind or the aircraft organize Black Sabi. And ne. Say the Obibeti Yachi Randiabi say or call a Black Star Committee meeting.
Like Keke said, Miss Mikra Mete. I am a bit perplexed because of the fact where Randy Abbey sits as the chairman of the Black Stars Management Committee and being the CEO of Cocoa Board, I have a problem with it.
Certainly.
Yeah, I have a problem with it. Those two key positions are no joke positions.
Entin kratoi enko emma de oye hu bibi Randiabe.
Yeah.
Yesra no. He say ade ba ko ka ye bom.
Deputy.
Me bo de me
David Randy no. Anya se ye tan no.
David
ye tan no.
How?
But ye besere.
How?
Its Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, with the yensada yensayem. The cocoa sector is such an important sector to us. Football also so very important. One person manning the Black Stars as a management committee chairman and the CEO of Ghana Cocoa Board. Please, I think he must relinquish one of the positions. Mr. President, Yabasra, Freubano, Randiabi, no one in maybe say, Upe Black Stars and Upe Cocoa Board. No for position, no, Bako and Fanto.
And no, Cocoa Board, yeah. I didn't never say budget to say BB about Cocoa and on them.
Yeah.
Some will fear young Kenyon and Amosha Ball. What an Amosha Ball? Yen some will fear young Kenyon and Amosha Ball.
And that one, I have my own reservations.
So yes, you see, hey, a bayer bufusem. Say, committee a shia. Not Randiabe team chairman for also what would you have to also on your back?
Yeah.
May you show so a fantastic football administrator.
Yeah.
Because we could experience.
Sure.
Yes, I'm here. Now, so baby, I don't know. You see, Nipa Kura who say what say on the chairman na all say best steer the affairs of Black Stars and Massa. Akuma be kosro. It end your move on to war. The kind.
And I say Black Stars and a minute.
Black Stars and the Kayen na ye boom as one. NDC, MPP, Adia we say at least. Baby, idea hey, my Black Stars Coco World Cup. Among semi-finals. Coco Kweni Bia Bebosi. And they was soon. But the rebe fee or yaw NDC didn't remune kakra. Into Randiabe, yes, Reno, President, fire no.
Mamina say, lawyer KK said he speaks for the NDC, not him and kind of NPP. Oh, me pacho. Hey, nah, hey. Are the NDC uchiri? There be NDC uchiri or more.
Oh, there be omi eminianum. Now so I can be. Now I can say ni anko. Na me ti hey. And some
now if is mischief na me yana.
Not at all. A mistake. Now so you mischief there mean few.
A team of answering. Lawyer KK speaks for the New Patriotic Party. But my main cow said 21st clinic, Macachel said woman no ye the sciatica originator. You can sciatica hun semwa woman on kofa buy. Omo ye commander ba kope. Na sciatica ne ye kan ho asemwa me pacho. so nan mu a untimi nante obeto egu so asa nan mu atwu dwe fiu nan mu sa be pie osisim na akoko pie otumponum uji wo a enye me ba cho otumpono muscles bi a ewo otumponum no ye fra no gluteus maxima sa muscle no emo betwo se uji wo enje edini ye bakope 21st clinic we ba so hwe mo check on kran ha Tantra Hill Runabout tema omo Roman Catholic Church ne aso da na chi ho a kaswa womo New Market Obom Road se wo hwe mo Kumasi a omo ehwan overseas edan SOMPA FM wo mu no ehwa na omo sunyane omo ne Regional Hospital First Gate ne din hwe no mo Tachiman Old GN Bank Bell edan no ehwa na omo so hwe mo nkransa omo ben aye nkoda park no Children's Park takwa woman in Roman stores in the dish anymore. So I will show more tech this is why if you come on number 9 Texas station, one more offices and our clinics in the Biwa, Brekum, Gosso, and Obuase. Bebacho Frey, the sciatica commander, Frey, the sciatica pay setter, 21st clinic, it was 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Me pacho ma minti we ima.
Prof.
Yes.
Me pacho be Matthew 23:23 o laptop no suma me. Sima.
Matthew then
23:23. Na ubi no ma mini kan mo minu empanyifo o mediki akase ya baso. Especially minu empanyin batu. Now we say enkomo ye diki TT bi o baby a. Na usually ayana amanfa kwa no MPP NDC politics. And I like the fact that minu empanyifo minu mediki akase. Omo ye objective commentary.
Sure.
On baby a Ghana ababedu.
Okay.
The producer they say me no say Ghana will be 69 tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm proud of Ghana.
Sure.
And person comes say Sato hono kakra name is Ghana proud of us.
Is Ghana proud of us? Yes. I don't get it. Also then
Ghana or you proud of us. Like who ya nani bete obetimi dia hwa no.
Okay, so let me read Matthew 23:23. What to you, teachers of the law and Pharisees, you hypocrites, you give birth a tenth of your spices, mint, dill, and cumin, but you have neglected the more important matters of the law, justice, mercy, and faithfulness. You should have practiced the latter without neglecting the former.
Me that's a prof. Now I'm going to tie about 3 or 4 things in my commentary.
Okay.
When say a real state of the nation address, producer frame but mentimi am.
Mentimi am.
Me the bebo or send ba ko bisu ma me say statistical service for say inflation swat from 3.8 to 3.3. We are now fear bisa say is Ghana proud of us. Matthew chapter 23 verse 23. You hypocrites. Na twomfo. Osimu yin tutusuo dudu ewo de mu ye nyina ho. We report some figures ewo kroma. MPP NDC politics. Oh inflation aba na eka. Oh ye deflation aba form, ye di 51 ye di 21 oh dollar aba form, oh we aba form we are say. Now the ending of that scripture say, "Sanyama we nyina eyesem ye." But don't neglect the weightier matters. Ghana is not proud of us because basically the weightier matters we don't talk about them. Between MPP and DC.
Yeah.
We have any about yes, I offer my saying.
Good.
Prof, what to say you dig Ghana and put to whom come any GDP, any inflation, any CD to dollar rate paying. None one come on the BID.
Sure.
Nothing to so any year didn't be seen here. Now let me tell you some of the weightier matters. Going into 69. What says common in ye di near ye had been free sa inflation in dollar above formula one prof. Ghana, yes, you see a population amazing.
Oh, where 33 million.
William says 33 million and quala a womb. Quala a womb ye be 10 million. Now when him say out of some kwala 10 million as at 2025 year yetwam ya ND na emu 73% a multi-dimensionally poor. Not just say ofa Ghana kwala 10 million 7,300,000 a year for outright. We never have this conversation as a mind. Teba betina oh ye ko fa inflation fia na dia ba dollar na ye fa no 17 na dia ba 10. Ye ni san komo no. But going into 69, Nyame Adoma next year 70. These are the weightier matters we should be talking about. Said Ghana unkwala 10 million, no, emu 7 million etio him multi-dimensional poverty. And I don't know here bubu me about 73%, Prof. We am sure.
We am sure pa.
Sa unkwala 10 million e wo Ghana ha no. Emu 2.5 million edi aduane kom on daily basis. So when I'm 37 na ube hu omo. When I'm major street ube hu omo. Inflation above form, exchange rate above form, it doesn't concern these people and they are in the high numbers. The weightier matters. Going into 69 years of independence, these are the issues we should be talking about. Prof, within our population here, you know, yes, we in Ghana kwala 10 million ni jina hwa. Emu 10 biya ba ku edi ohiabu bro. Abject poverty. 69 is Ghana proud of us. Say ye di 69 na ye madu na mu nson di hia na mu mienu ede komiensa nya aduane ni na edunu mu ba ku biya di ohiabu bro is Ghana proud of us. So why are we talking about inflation? Why are we talking about yaba single digit? But
it matters.
Prof, what kind of scripture no? The weightier matters. Man, you used to see man can't say munyan to so do monto, but these are weightier. Other versions say these are more important. When some you do chance inflation one na account papers on. Akwaya say a coach be our name call for kobobo. Na or say a 442 no more de come.
Yeah.
You pass it about 10 minutes. Paper. Omona can bob back okra. To Gina line hey 442. Na number 2 be no coach. Born anka say 9 can be now come 442. Say ye 9 can ball and your formation. Prof, you make an answer. Ghana for man Emma because you see you say or mind be that name and kwala the yankwala that is 73% poverty no. We are joking. Who person who say or man be what that here hwe ne mofra no be ko Dubai no ha ye wo akwala to a ye di abanye twesika na account mu bam school obe call ni hospital obe call bibia even Dubai police o person go school abrochi kra country na be hwe say ya toto bombs omo makoka Dubai no ye say aban say hotel for enhwe omo aduane ni ye betua nti obi be ka krom ha me ka bibia ofa ena me ka say God bless our homeland Ghana, Prof. Na asem toa so help me God no betia say yes say into ka say Ghana na lockdown abe ka obi oso obedi holidays be tourism na
Eva Ovio
me ya fa be Prof who is who
2 minutes
asefem but one for be anyase so ahwe ani ewu so that is on that side. Going into 69 years, it was a D or mining punto home come from MPP NDC. We should look at more weightier matters, more important matters.
And someone who here
do. What you see the about 10 a year? Yes, you see, no year. Now, akwala 2.4 million. It means nothing to them. Timaka akwala ni dewe. Empanying for also, and then I'm 23% multi-dimensional poverty.
Wow.
Prof, is Ghana proud of us? Obi TGS office, me say no make ya on person make.
O dey can.
Young teacher ni na ya post no na, obe pay 2003 be dia born e bra no. O be dey o letter o GS office I do the way to so.
It is not true.
Is Ghana proud of us?
I know because you know it's not true. Because I've been in that office. No, please, it's not true. And then from what I cannot work. I cannot speak. I beg your pardon for the other offices. But where I emanated from, the Bono East Regional Education Directorate, and for that matter, where I am, it doesn't happen.
I'm not for money, yo. Dabi, I'm not for money, yo, Prof. OPAF, Nami Aduma Monday. But
see what I could face such a situation that
may say Monday.
What could face such a situation in any of the GES offices?
Without disrespect, GES them imagine say me
sir,
without disrespect.
But how come say Wokas Assembly without any evidence?
And I'm saying, Nami Aduma Monday. Over first 10-20 minutes, no be line to musi teacher for pay. Mon friend munya dance yes some letter kwaje the way to so.
Anya no kre.
Me say prof be phone line, we see teacher for pay. Or friend no say yes some the way to so.
Na teacher ni the salary ni you saying na wasa kwajibi.
Yo, prof.
It is not true.
Ye fa obi adwuma wo Ghana ha say. Ebra wo be kom rent ansa na obenye sika rent dan. Ghana ni ba ye adwuma 16 months, 17 months, 12 months and sana what tempting kwa ne na ketua bre no. Is Ghana proud of us? Teacher ni kan ya wo SS ni university for no. Na maame abre aton makoni intos we dwem de ne ba school. Abaya betwe so hwe ade bohu ni ba bi. Is Ghana proud of us? Prof, across board. Ye ni twin ya doa. Wasofo obiyire ba ho abepe ba age wo huni ba bi ima prof is Ghana proud of us ima na it's in university now. What do you about ima even go to celebrate my table hello, good evening.
Good evening, Honorable Prof.
Yeah, me pacho what have you say? Yeah. All right, me pacho it you why.
My member miniano mo studio na mo me bo ma ba super papa.
Sure.
O makasa chese o mo ya Ghana fo ampa. Le dia mi am edro no die. E say ye kan no kra kire ye mpelifo a o mo di o man ni. Ye di to me e show mo sa say o mo ba be bright o mo ba be so I yeah parliament
me pacho bright online no etwetwesi enti e kakra ko enimu ai and then 1 minute pe. Right, online no na ho. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Abochi.
Yeah, me pacho. Yo, okay. What are my pacho enti we?
Me da say. Min say senior abaya kono. Ghana ochina nya 69 years now. It is not encouraging. Because if you say government upon government, too disappointing. Me gidi say aside for the late and next asamadu owo ni rebe ho papa because akuma po be digeji Ghana sanka usiesi Ghana nanke ni woni na yem krampo nanka ba na krapo ye be wo na ketu ya be fu no aba ko ni na eden edini hwambo teach the UP tradition amo na ma Ghana ewie ye say amakwa wi aka ebia ni say na yeti o my Ghana how na minority there are cancer. It's only in our two inch, no. If you say agenda setting, never judge what's not back, but sorry. And the informal finance minister will come for some messy. You can placard that you see the bush happening with. And you all look at this thing, You big Ghana young boy, Abochi. Say, no, be, But me, you want to be a same as see the late camera or see over 800 people who are through DDEP. And if I can't come on you, catch my money deal with parliament. It's not negotiable for the Obuaf. Oh my God, I say, get so my God. What a country indeed.
May I say? Let's go. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Mr. Prof.
Okay, me bacho wana mene kasi.
Me bacho bright
Okay, bright. What are my NTY?
See how they say them correct pa.
Them correct pa. Let's take a listen to you.
Yeah, Usha MPP me na. Wakase yi pa. Ba baby wo no no. Na osa e di kofa politics. Say odi asem we question aye bisa o abagana 69 na outside kofa politics. She kenu furiata sanka onu a oti studio so odogana here anka yeso ye demonstration editia MPP for say e den a yese kenu furiata ebeti na o mangana mo because ye dey allege bebre atu kenu furiata so ye di no mo bebre atu kenu furiata so enti na ne kenu furiata o ye finance minister 7 years our finance minister akotina bujira MPP for enka wansem so mudogana she cathedral ya tu amra
me pacho
su tax years money
yenesi form
kano aka yebetimi dia ye Ghana yi e dia ye factory bi e dia boase youth no e benye adwuma ye eso ye dia si amra e da ho
me da say hello, good evening.
Fine, Abochi.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene kasi.
Pacho FM Edward ne kasa se nya so tu.
Edward, what are my pacho my NTY?
Yo, we dey me sewa na meja ewura vera Oba youth organizer ama MPP.
Me pacho yanko enim ene break.
Yo, nati. What is a mini ebi ebe katara no ka se de ke Kwame Nkrumah eda ehonuma na Europe ho enam UPD. Na okika ni dem na ne ko se Kwame Nkrumah da na minem na Europe ho a na ye UPO. Na mo NDC eni se den. Se ni nyuma pa wo ba be ye ebe iho. Eni odi se GNTC. Any the Ghana fire stone. Say, you when you know, Kwame Nkrumah didn't ba Ghana. For the say, worries NDC for when I move to say you marry. Now, who be not say you before never my Kwame Nkrumah, Kwame Nkrumah, ever you pick that. Now, you won't move NDC for and I won't be my Kwame Nkrumah.
Me da say, hello, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene kasi.
What is any kind?
Me pacho me hoye pa ene break ya ye nti bonito.
Yo, me diane free from Cantamanto.
Free from
ABOTCHIE Jabo. Yo. Prof.
Yes.
Can you do a piano maintain this for us from and the UP for and a Kwame Nkrumah na say. The idea rolls ever to Kwame Nkrumah and want to confess. Also be 50 Ghana. And go 50 cities so cool. Na Kwame Nkrumah no say Ghana the Ghana go to about it. Aka roll to couldn't them cry. Yeah, woman, you say, woman, and this one will tell Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah, you know, yeah, Ghana had no money. I ain't want to be at the chair or more in them. Huh? What Nkrumah can now? About that, I demand, and your role is a demand, but Yana and this point, you almost open the press. Kwame Nkrumah said, and Yana Kwame Nkrumah to buy and this before. I you just you, Yama, yeah, that's what I want for all my women. Huh? The young son and I say, entry before Nkrumah to me. Yet, no man, I shall not say, yeah, they say, the part of the TMT, Ramama says, who got a young Fugu. Fugu,
me da say, hello, good evening.
Hello, answer ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene kasi.
Elio.
Me pacho wine.
Elio.
Okay, what am I pacho by NTY?
Okay, Million. I would say, Elia been homonym history. Homonym history. Ghana 60. Again, na say, Million, Mika Beach. Those come from Ghana. A young for tatak that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Dr. Kwame Nkrumah for G. Busia said, Rabbi Yamamutowe. You before no Kabia, Papa, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah stand for G. Busia, way Apostle go down.
Unfortunately, I have to take you off because a break here. Let me do with this caller because we're just watching. Hello, good evening. Boko, Bepacho, under 30 seconds. Let me take a listen to you. Yeah.
Circle overhead na ever Ghanaian times one about no overhead VIP anyone overhead I think
Charlie. That's a break here. Yeah, call you some of the messages to do. First one, Bianca Madame for Brebo, Fetchman, that Yetitina hideout. Your friend of fire. And you know, one for you reading but what I can best do, let us say, Mrs. Wofayao. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yesterday, Yamia holding at the mouth, Yamin quantenting at the mouth. Yesterday, and the day you are celebrating would be a great day for you and your family. Thank you so much. And then also, happy birthday going out to you. Portia Watima. We will be out kind news. Our success 90.9 FM. Our I have forgot so. Next one is coming. Okay, me back up. A free Portia Watima. Okay news. Our success FM. Our I have forgot so. Was it a comma Becky? Na ene wawoda uye juma ewo Asana North Cooperative Bank. We want to say happy birthday to you. God's blessings, best wishes is what your sister Portia Boathma is wishing you. Ebusha for hanamre mami kwa mami di jumedi nesi. Ye frame Kobla ABOTCHIE PROF.